Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to connect your Webflow form with Mailchimp so that whenever anyone submits your form, the data goes to your Mailchimp audience list. So to do that, you need to install our Formfic app. An installation guide should appear on top right of this video. Please click that link, check that video and come back to this video for further steps. Now I'm assuming you already saw that video. So now let's proceed with the steps. First of all, you need to add a form block. If you haven't added already, then you need to click apps and launch our Formfic app. And from the launch list, you need to select Mailchimp. Mailchimp. So we need two things. One is the API key, one is the audience ID. So you can also check our integration guide from here by clicking Mailchimp. And from here you'll get the Mailchimp API key URL. So I'm already logged in, so it's taking me to API keys, or otherwise if you want you can go to profile, click extras and click API keys. And from here you need to create a new key, and let's say we name it Formfic key and generate. So we got the API key here and we paste the API key here. Now we need the audience ID, so all we have to do is click audience and click audience settings, and here is your audience ID. We paste it here. Now let's save and connect. Now we need to go back and then click forms, click email form and enable Mailchimp, and here you can do the field mapping. So for example, we have two fields, so we select the email field with email, then we need to select the, let's say, first name with the name field, and we save mapping. Now let's close this and hit publish. Now if we go to the form, let's fill this up, hit submit. Now if we go to our audience and scroll down, as you can see, the email has come into Mailchimp. So that's how you can set up a Webflow form with Mailchimp. Please let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you.